7 Stoic Habits that make you irresistible to women, make her go crazy. When we delve into the essence of what makes us truly captivating, it's not just about surface-level appearances or societal status. Instead, let's embark on a journey to explore the profound depths of integrity. Integrity isn't merely a lofty moral ideal, it's the solid foundation upon which trust is built. It's about walking the talk, consistently aligning our actions with our words, and embodying the values we profess. Imagine yourself at a bustling networking event, engaging in conversation with someone who shares your fervor for environmental conservation. You promise to send them a link to a documentary that profoundly influenced your perspective. And true to your word, the very next day, you follow through. This seemingly simple act not only cements your reputation as a reliable individual but also fosters a deeper bond with them. Conversely, failing to honor our commitments can cast doubt on our sincerity. These pivotal moments, where our character is tested, serve as a litmus test for our integrity. It's about more than just fulfilling promises, it's about embodying integrity in every facet of our lives. In the realm of professional endeavors, integrity shines brightly when faced with tight deadlines and ethical dilemmas. Choosing to uphold ethical standards, even in the face of temptation to cut corners, speaks volumes about our character. Colleagues and superiors take note of such unwavering commitment, elevating us as beacons of trust and reliability in the workplace. Living with integrity extends beyond mere adherence to moral codes. It permeates every aspect of our existence. It's about holding steadfast to our values, even when it's inconvenient or unpopular. Whether it's correcting a waiter's mistake in a restaurant or navigating complex moral quandaries, integrity demands consistency, self-awareness, and unwavering dedication to our principles. Transitioning to the realm of self-control, in a world that often celebrates impulsivity and instant gratification, exercising restraint emerges as a testament to inner strength. It's about deliberate, mindful choices, choosing to listen more than speak, to think before acting, and to engage with differing viewpoints thoughtfully and respectfully. Self-control isn't just about resisting temptations or adhering to strict regimens, it's a profound display of discipline and maturity. Whether it's sticking to a rigorous workout routine or making healthier dietary choices, these acts of self-discipline not only reflect commitment but also command respect and admiration from peers and colleagues alike. Moreover, the ability to exercise financial restraint, to prioritize long-term stability over fleeting indulgences, underscores our foresight and responsibility. Such prudent financial habits speak volumes about our character, positioning us as individuals of substance and integrity in the eyes of others. Resilience in the face of adversity emerges as yet another hallmark of irresistible charm. Rather than crumbling under the weight of challenges, resilient individuals navigate turbulent waters with grace and fortitude. Whether it's weathering sudden storms during outdoor escapades or rebounding from setbacks in professional endeavors, resilience serves as a beacon of hope and optimism. Moreover, resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about thriving in the face of adversity, transforming setbacks into opportunities for growth and self-discovery. This ability to adapt and persevere not only garners admiration but also fosters deeper connections with others, who are drawn to our unwavering spirit and indomitable resolve. If you liked the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.